There's a shield guy there. Has anyone got a grenade?
No, but there's enough of us.
1 second. Alex, have you got your grenade on you? Russian from the side. Grenade! There's a shield there, mate. You good?
Yeah, go shot the
He's done?
First.
Right on the road, mate. Mark will find that track and you're good. Once you cross that track, you're full auto, gent.
Keep pushing. Is it alright if I come up on the edge?
No, it's going to be off the road entirely.
Right, let's fit in, yeah?
That, you can
That's what I meant, on the
I
edge.
thought you meant like
Cross over there, yeah?
See, she'll go. Hit! So yeah, just going to be like top up the mags. I've been hit anyway.
Just because you're reloading. Otherwise I would let you go.
I've been hit as well, so that's why I was coming back.
Yeah, I know that. I'm just saying that because also you're reloading your gun, so I'm like, come back here, you know.
That pistol, I got hit, I was staying hit, I've still been...
Yeah, we're having a little bit of problem with people overshooting, but it might not be that they're shooting you, it might be that...
No, they literally direct at me.
Maybe they're in this track. I'm not defending them, I'm just
I'll
saying.
turn around, a quick burst of full auto.
Naughty. Ghosty, you shouldn't be doing that. It's naughty. Come here, come on, you gotta make the walk! You gotta be within... Mine has a switch. And it's CO2. I don't know if you want to play this game. Yeah, you're good. Go. Yeah, you're good. Go on. You demon-looking motherfucker. Go on, you good. If you're behind me, behind the spawn, you're good. Go on.
There's one guy who's just going out there and burst. I was shooting at him, I knew I was hitting him, but it was taking ages from call it.
Yeah. Next weekend, I can't wait to play. I'm going to be playing with my honey badger, so it'll be nice. Oh, and I get to see the missus tomorrow.
They spend a lot of money for her.
No, I don't actually spend that much money on them, surprisingly. Respawn. It's good. It's just behind me, you'll go. As long as you're behind me, you can respawn.
Alright.
Go on, you guys. Go.
Thank you.
I will, Dad. Have the eye of the tiger.
I'll do it for you, Daddy.
Why are you still back here? Because you guys haven't had any aggression. I've got to move up slowly. Now move forward, and then we can move up. What are we waiting for? Christmas?
Yeah.
Left side! Push it to the right!
Hit!
Moved up to here, but you pansies can't seem to move forward. Yeah, it went up there. There's one from that angle. He's untouchable. You need it? Guys, push up! Oh, I see one directly. We can do it! Push up, Red! No, we can't! Ready? That's a beautiful work you do. Guys, we have to believe it. Around there, go. Should have been here last time they made kill 3 quarters of the team. Jesus.
Well, there's
Did you get all of you?
Yeah.
It was a mortar.
Oh, mortar. Oh, mother.
I know the guy as well. He's a good guy, actually.
That guy's so chuffed with himself.
Go, you're good, you're good, you're good, you're good, No, I just saw them going off.
Because it was
Wait, there's smoke over there.
Move, move, move.
Shoot him out at 45. Yeah, they're going up over the top and coming down. Fucking hell. Go on, man! Push the road! What do you mean push the road? You just nearly got 7 of us. What do you want us to do?
My name. Come on! Jesus Christ! My nan has more aggression! Ah!
What are we doing
I
here?
have mortars! Come on! Go!
What are we doing here?
He hasn't! He's probably just luring us into a false sense of security again!
Just rehydrating.
Why aren't we moving up?
Oh, no, no. Move!
Come on!
Let's come across.
Oh, hit. I'm going to distract and then you're going to run. Ready?
So don't run yet, I've got someone over here.
Hit!
Don't know what to do. Fucking. We'll get you in the lane. Yeah. No. Jack, move up.
You're like a really